explanation on how I break this Bitcoin slang down. Check it, a Bitcoin is a currency, blockchain is technology, transactions take place on it constantly. A public key is your address, private key is your access, cash is trash, but a Bitcoin is an asset. And stacking sats is like accumulating gold, a market order sold, the hodl is the hold. A confirmation is that the transaction is back, the verification intact with minus proof of work. A bankster is a crook, amateur traders get shook. Look, the white paper is the book. And if the price is low, you bought high and got stuck. So what's luck? Cause if you got hacked, that means you got fucked.
Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what Bitcoin is, as a newbie, and before that, kindly subscribe to my channel to be able to get notifications whenever I upload videos. Thanks. I'm going to make this video short and simple for everyone to understand, so I'm going to use American accent to do this so that everyone can get the message well. Let's quickly treat the topic we have for today, and I'm going to explain one after the other. The first question, what is Bitcoin? And as a newbie you need to ask, and after knowing what Bitcoin is, you can decide whether to give it a try or not. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency or a currency created in 2009. Marketplaces called Bitcoin exchanges allow people to buy or sell Bitcoins using different currencies. Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money, an online version of cash but not regulated by any government. Bitcoin is a new currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are made with no middlemen, meaning no banks. Bitcoin can be used to book hotels on Expedia, shop for furniture on Overstock, and buy Xbox games. But much of the hype is about getting rich by trading it. The price of Bitcoin skyrocketed into the thousands in 2017, and in recent months, December 2020, January 2021, it has skyrocketed again. And the second question, why Bitcoin? Bitcoins can be used to buy merchandise anonymously. In addition, international payments are easy and cheap because Bitcoins are not tied to any country or subject to regulation. Small businesses may like them because there are no credit card fees. Some people just buy Bitcoins as an investment, hoping that they'll go up in value. Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. Note, there are a lot of online wallets and different types of hardware wallets for Bitcoin storage. People can send Bitcoins, or part of one, to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies, or undoing transactions. I hope that answers the question. Well, the third question here is, how do people get Bitcoins? There are three main ways people get Bitcoins. You can buy Bitcoins using real money. You can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoins. Example, exchange gift cards that a friend bought for you but you don't need for Bitcoin. And the third option is the Bitcoin can be created using a computer, known as Bitcoin mining. Our fourth question is, how are new Bitcoins created? In order for the Bitcoin system to work, people can make their computer process transactions for everybody. The computers are made to work out incredibly difficult sums. Occasionally they are rewarded with a Bitcoin for the owner to keep. People set up powerful computers just to try and get Bitcoins. This is called mining. But the sums are becoming more and more difficult to stop too many Bitcoins being generated. If you started mining now, it could be years before you got a single Bitcoin. You could end up spending more money on electricity for your computer than the Bitcoin would be worth. Our fifth question is, why are Bitcoins valuable? There are lots of things other than money which we consider valuable, like gold and diamonds. The Aztecs used cocoa beans as money. Bitcoins are valuable because people are willing to exchange them for real goods and services, and even cash. Sixth, why do people want Bitcoins? Some people like the fact that Bitcoin is not controlled by the government or banks. People can also spend their Bitcoins fairly anonymously. Although all transactions are recorded, nobody would know which account number was yours unless you told them. If you ask me whether it's secure, I will say it will depend on the wallet you are using and how careful you are. Because there are a lot of hackers online that are spamming on many Bitcoin platforms with fake links, and if you click on them they can have access to your Bitcoin wallets, so always be smart and don't click on links from unknown people online. Every transaction is recorded publicly, so it's very difficult to copy Bitcoins, make fake ones, or spend ones you don't own. It is possible to lose your Bitcoin wallet or delete your Bitcoins and lose them forever. There have also been thefts from websites that let you store your Bitcoins remotely. The value of Bitcoins has gone up and down over the years since it was created in 2009, and some people don't think it's safe to turn your real money into Bitcoins. There are people that buy and store the Bitcoins, and others buy and sell it for profits. You have to learn more about it to be able to make profits. But this is only for the beginners. I will later make a video of the next steps for beginners. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials later. See you in my next video. Bye.